Righto, this morning I have a nice project here. This is, look at this cute little motor. It is a water pump. It is a two-stroke motor, so some similar like this a blower or a grass cutter. And here's on the centrifugal side of the pump, and there is where you bleed, put some water in, take the air out. But it's very nice. It got a handle, a big fuel tank, and a pull start here. But the problem is, it is from a friend of mine. Apparently there was like dirt inside the little tap here, and then it causes the carburetor to block up. You can see here they gave us all the stuff here. You can see inside here's the whole carburetor, all the spares is here. But this carburetor is similar than all the other ones. They all have more or less the same build, same design. So I'm going to clean it. I'm just going to lay it in some fuel and clean it and blow it out, take all the dirt out and try to see if it will start. So I'm first going to put some fuel in here. I'm going to put this inside there. Then I'm going to go and just let it lie in, soak a little bit there inside there. Okay, I've got my compressor here, the blower, so I think the best is just to go and clean all these orifices everywhere. Where you see a little hole, you clean to get all the stuff out. And there. Okay, I put the stuff together, but there's something missing here. I think I put spacers in here because the air cleaner, he only gave me this, the filter, but the housing is not here. So, but at least we can just put some pillars in here just to make up the space there. So you can see if it works. And I'm going to put some fuel in here. The two-stroke oil already been mixed. I'm going to get I wonder where's the stop. Oh, here's the stop. You can get some quick start quickly. Okay, here's some quick start, instant engine starter, and then we're gonna put some in there. Here's the they just started again. Okay, let's prime it. Okay, let's start it.